Hi there, students. To pinion. A pinion. Okay, this word has two different meanings. Let's see. A pinion is either the wings of a bird, a very literary word, but we also use that as a verb, to pinion, to hold somebody by the arm so that they can't move. Some heavy sacks fell on me and I was pinioned. I couldn't move my arms because they were on me. The skinheads jumped on me and I was pinioned and I couldn't move my arms. And this is the idea of the word to pinion. If you're pinioned, somebody prevents you from moving or escaping, typically by holding or by tying your arms. His arms were pinioned tightly behind his back. They were tied. So to pinion, to immobilize, to tie up. Okay, so to pinion, to hold the arms of a person. A pinion also, though, is something that is used in engineering. It's in a set of gears. If you see a bicycle has the big wheel and then it has a little wheel that the chain goes round, and this little wheel is the pinion. Okay, so the pinion, it's the small cog or the small wheel that makes a bigger wheel go round. That's technical and engineering. But let's see, poetically, a pinion, the wing of a bird, the bird flew high on its pinions. That's very literary. But as a verb, to hold back, to bind the arms of a person, to restrain or immobilize somebody, to pinion. So to confine. He was pinioned against the wall. Yeah, he was pushed against the wall and he couldn't move. Okay, so this is the idea of to pinion. To fetter, to handcuff, to shackle, if you like. The heretic was pinioned to a stake and then burned. His arms were pinioned behind him. Okay, so let's see. As to origin, well, both of these words come from French and originally from Latin. The idea of the wing comes from pinus or pinnar in Latin, meaning a feather, and the pinion comes from pine, which is a pine, or pinea, which is a pine cone. And you see how a pine cone has these bits sticking up and it looks like a cog, or this wheel that drives something. Okay, so to pinion, to trap in position. Yeah, after the accident, the driver was pinioned in the seat, and the fireman had to use the jaws of life to extricate the driver from the seat. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A pinion to pinion.